My name is Steve Ewart. I'm President and Chief Executive Officer of WBE Technologies. WBE Technologies is a company that focuses on providing service to a breadth of customers, including broadband, wireless, and data center hyperscale. I have the unique benefit of having worked with Rubicon for about 8 months, about 5 years ago. And the thing that really attracted me to Rubicon was the interface, especially at the sales level. The ability to move between sales order, quote, purchasing, invoicing, receiving, all those screens and being able to move around inside of them is incredibly efficient for a sales team. And the other thing that was obviously unique, we had QuickBooks. It was a very ineffective inventory manager. And so we were very, very happy to move forward with Rubicon because the system really has a lot of great tools for managing inventory, parts, and that entire process. The ability to get a person from 0 to almost 100% capability inside Rubicon, it's a pretty quick process. I feel very confident that we can train people how to use the system. Yeah, I would say overall, we've been very happy with the service and support. And I guess I'll just give a shout out to Christine and Robbie. Prior to Rubicon, we had QuickBooks, and it was not uncommon to wait on hold for 2 hours just to get a human. And then by the time they got us to somebody, if they could get us to somebody that could help us, it could take a couple of days. You guys are incredibly efficient with getting back and responsiveness.